Hello and welcome to MSha Tech. Today we are going to explore the topic SAP Fiori App Activation, a step-by-step guide. In this video we will explore all the relative steps for the activation of SAP Fiori App. So let's have an introduction of all the 8 steps we will do practically step by step moving forward. So first of all, I will introduce the SAP Fiori app on and on the step number 2 we will find the application tech detail. I mean all the technical detail will required we will find from the Fiori apps library. And then on the third step we will find how to activate the OData service relative to the Fiori app. And then on the fourth step we will do the activation of ICF HTTP node on the server, whereas on the fifth step we will do ensuring the backend services and alias. So moving forward, on the step number 6 we will add the tile and the app tile and assigning roles. We will explore how what step should we take in detail to activate to available the standard Fiori app to any tile. So and then when the app will be available we will do testing the services and testing the app. Last but not least, we will as an add-on of this video, we will do some troubleshooting ideas, troubleshooting tips and tricks. So how we can analyze how we can trace the bug, the problem, the issue while running the SAP Fiori app. So let's begin. So, on the first step, let's I introduce what is Fiori. So, Fiori is a design system providing a modern UX across SAP solution, simplifying tasks with personalized, responsive app. So, what are the advantages of Fiori app? Fiori app improve productivity through simple interfaces, enhance satisfaction with intuitive design, and reduce training cost. Last but not least, it has some target user group. The guide target this guide target the basis, technical users, system administrator, and consultants involved in SAP Fiori app development. So all the stakeholders which are involved in the process of implementation of SAP Fiori app, standard SAP Fiori app, all the stakeholders will be gathered, will be involved in the deployment process. So these all are the target user groups. So for the activation of SAP Fiori app, we first have to go to the SAP Fiori app reference library. You can search by yourself by putting this word Fiori app reference library into the Google. So after finding this link, I have to click on this link, and then it will redirect to the SAP Fiori apps library. Here it is. Now it's processing and it will redirect to the landing page of SAP Fiori apps. I have to click on the accept. Here it is. Now this is a landing page. This is a main page of SAP Fiori reference library. So if we I have already selected a Fiori app which we will for which we will do some activation. We will do activation work in the development server. So let's go to the Fiori app Lighthouse app. Here it is. Now these are all the filters we can filter by using this filter. We have the line of business, we have the role for filter, we have the product suite filter, and we have the product type of SAP. So we have to find we let's say we have to find sale order fulfillment. Click on the search button. Here it is. Now we have the two options present in this scenario. First of all, we have manage sales order version 2, process sale order, whereas we have another Fury app which is which named as sale order fulfillment issues version 2. So let's first go deep dive into the manage sale order version 2. Let's find its detail. I click on the manage first one, which is showing the detail of this app, that it can be launched to the create sale order, manage sale order, whereas the database information is HANA DB exclusive. Also, we have the transactional type, SAP Fury elements, and so on. So, after finding the SAP Fury a standard Fury app, we have to go to the implementation information tab, and then go to the installation and configuration. In the installation, it's providing the information, the technical structure, technical version which is suited for this Fury app. So moving on, in the backup system component ABAP, we have the SAP HANA Cloud Private Edition. So it's also have a score S for core 108, whereas uh, we have the same two other options. The most Let's move on to the most important thing in this configuration, that is the SAP OData service activation. So now we have apps, challenge, document SR and SR underscore V on description, which is not suitable, which is not acceptable for the standard activation. So I have to click on this and then after it will show the detail of this sales order fulfillment issues version 2 app. So this is a standard app which is already built in SAP S4 HANA installation. So let's first go to the important to the installation. The app consists of front-end components such as this and back-end components such as the OData service. The back-end data and front-end of the components are delivered with separate product and have to be installed separately. So first of all, let's move to the technical things which is we required. Here it is. Now the OData service name which is using by the Fury app is the SDSOFI, and also the software component version is also mentioned here. that is score 108. After that, we have the SAP Fiori Launchpad. Technical configuration. First of all, it shows the SAP UI5 application code. After that, it's showing the app launcher, where we will find this app with this description. So, moving on, it also have the target mapping, and after target mapping we have two things: technical catalog and business catalog. So you have to choose. If you are not a businessman, you will select the options here. Otherwise you will not grow, you will not speed up learning regarding this. So let's find the technical catalog name of this Fiori app, which is sale order fulfillment option. Whereas we have a SAP TC CEC SD underscore uh, common common services, we have already known. So on the business catalog, we have the two business catalogs: sales, sale order monitoring, and the sale order monitoring and tracking. So these are the background of technical things which required to activate the SAP Fiori app. So if you want to if you want to know more information about these auditor services and other SAP Fiori app, so you can call me, you can comment me at any time. So moving on. So now we have completed the SAP Fiori app reference library option, which is a step number 2. So on the step number 3, so moving on, we should also know the required authorization, what are the landscape architecture, and the particular app information from the Fiori library. So we cannot do all the Fiori app activation because it is not recommended by SAP. So in the landscape awareness, we will do some backend work on the S4, just like we will activate the alias, and also we will explore the gateway client for updating the data. So last but not least, on we will find the below information: the app ID, auditor services, UI component, catalog from the SAP Fiori apps reference library. So we will do practically the accessing the service maintenance transaction. So IWFND meant service is the T code, is the transaction code which we will use for the activation and managing of the OData service or services. So the purpose of this transaction, this is the main transaction to register, activate. So let's move straight to the system and find how we can do activation of SAP Fiori in a blink of eye. So let's move. So first of all, go to the transaction IW maintenance services, and then here we have to find our app information. So first of all, we know that the name of the SAP services for this SAP. We know the name of the OData service. So we will find these services here, that it is what is the status of this OData service. So first of all, we have to click on the search button, and then we will write SD SOFI, because in the Fiori app we know that the name of the SAP of the OData service is the STSOFI. So let's copy this out and then go to this search window, and then click on the enter. Here it is. Now it's showing that the that one hit is found. So let's where it is. Here it is. Now the ZSD underscore Sufi is being present. If it is not present, we have to go to the add service button, and then here we have to write the name of OData service and the local. Here it is. Now system is showing that the backend service are already registered for system alias local. So it's mean that the OData service is already activated. So here it is. We have found the name the OData service by using the technical service name, that is ZST underscore SOFI. So I will click on this service and then check that the activation of ICF node is enabled. If it is not enabled, we have to go this option activate. So also we know that the green light is on. It's mean its services, its auditor services of SAP Web is not available. So on the right hand side, we don't have to give anything. We just have to go to the SAP gateway client. But before, we have to update the system alias, because no system alias is present by default. So now we have done our 1 till 4 steps from introduction to the activating the ICF nodes.